One of my students started completely from zero and she used one of my PLR templates, and within 90 days she made her first 50 sales, and all of that just using Etsy without any social media and while being a full-time psychologist student. So in this video, I want to take you behind the scenes of the Passive Income Academy and show you the templates that I give to my students and how they are able to launch their digital shop so quickly and launch unique products without having to start from scratch. This is a PLR template. This is a template that they get inside the academy. This is something that I've created for them, so they don't have to start from scratch. However, they cannot resell this template as it is. They do need to customize it. They need to make it look completely unique, their own branding, and I'm going to talk about that as well, because this is something that these student of mine done really well, and that's what helped her stand out. When you join the academy, you get access to the metamorphosis framework, which is designed in a way so you don't feel so overwhelmed. So I break the process into phases, everything that you need to know and do before you launch your shop, how to pick your niche, how to design an irresistible offer, how to craft your template, and how to market and make your first sales. And yes, we all know that it's so easy to get access to information these days on YouTube, on ChatGPT, but what makes the academy different is that it helps you digest information and take action, because information alone is not going to help you launch your shop and get your first sales, but taking action, that's what's going to get you the results. You just have to follow the steps. Even if you are busy with your 9 to 5, you can still just follow and take action and see that you are making progress. And one thing as well that you cannot get on ChatGPT is definitely the PLR templates. This is the core, the favorite feature that I offer inside the academy. My students love it because it saves them so much time. Most of my students, they are still working a 9 to 5, or they have a lot of clients. They just don't have the time to create everything from scratch. So each template comes with a video going through the entire template, and I also give you ideas how you can make this unique, how can you niche this down and make this more tailored to who you want to target. So there's a social media planner, finance tracker, a journal template, second brain, 12-week year, a 90-day goal planner. And you might be wondering, okay, if all your students have access to this template, how am I going to stand out? This is a great question. The way that you're going to position yourself to stand out so you're not looking like everyone else on Etsy or any other marketplace is through branding it and targeting a specific group of people. You can niche down, and the way that you're going to make your template look, it's gonna make such a huge difference. And that's exactly what my student did. If you looked at her template on Etsy, you could never tell it was from a template that she didn't create it from scratch. I know, obviously, because I am the one that designed the template, but she didn't change the databases. She only changed the designs, and she just improved the template. She made it better. She added her own personality. She added content. She added different things to stand out, and that's what makes it different. The other thing that you can do is to brand it with your brand colors. If you don't have a good eye for design and you don't have a branding for your business yet, you can explore Creative Market. There are tons of resources that you can buy here. You just make sure you buy the commercial license so you can use that. So for example, this is a great one because it's a bundle, so it includes a lot of different designs and it gives you inspiration on how you can make your templates aesthetic and unique. It also comes with fonts and design elements. You'll also learn how you can customize the template, because the idea of the PLRs is not for you to just use the template as it is and try to resell it, because you're not allowed. The idea is just to save you time so you can focus on just improving it and focusing on how you can make it better on the design as well. And here I teach you exactly how to do it, how to add widgets, and all different things that you can do and resources you can use to make your template unique and aesthetic, including how to add widgets and how I customize my templates as well. My entire process using Canva, you get all the resources. Everything is just designed to help you save time and get shit done, because it's so easy to get overwhelmed and start just learning information and not acting on it. But the academy is designed to help you get into action so you can get your first sale as soon as possible. You might be wondering wondering how my student was able to make 50 sales without any social media, how the customers found her, how did she get views, how did she get people to click on her shop and buy it. And the key element here was timing, because December and January are usually the best times to sell these kind of templates like organization, finances, personal growth, personal development, anything that is related, like how can I become a better person and how can I improve my life, my finances, and different areas of my life. This is usually a movement that happens every year. So naturally, people are going to look for planners. They're going to look for digital planners, digital resources, journals. And if you already have a shop ready, and if you can have at least a couple of sales and a testimonial, that already sets you up for success for this season. But that's one of the reasons why she was so successful, because she created that in September, because that's when she joined the academy. She has done the work, she followed the framework in the academy. So she picked her niche, she created her template, and she didn't even do the marketing. This is the first version of the academy, and I don't delete it because it is still helpful today. But here basically I show you how you can open your shop step by step to get more eyes on your business, how to publish your template into the Notion template gallery, how to make your first sale, how to market on Pinterest. So there are still a lot of content here, but I simplified the framework. I have a new framework for people that don't want to start just on Etsy. They want to probably start selling on their website. And if you are looking to create a website faster and in a way that you can even use your products that you have on Etsy and just seamlessly transition all your products to a website, Everbee Store is the best tool out there because it's made for digital sellers, for Etsy sellers. So if you do have an Etsy shop already, that makes your life so much easier, because it basically transfers all your information, your data, your products, and start a professional website for you. And you don't have to think about buying a domain, setting up email marketing. Everything is integrated. This is a great option, especially if you are selling digital products, because they have specific features for digital product sellers, marketing, AI, optimization at the back end, and everything that you need basically to get your website up and running fast. And I do have a video on my channel if you want to check it out, exactly how I created the website using Everbee Store, and you can get started for just $1. If you are someone who's ready to launch a digital product but you just feel completely overwhelmed, the academy might be the best next step for you, because this is exactly what I wish I had when I started out. And what makes the academy different is that you are not just left on your own. Yes, you're going to find a lot of trainings like how to create your Notion template, how to sell Canva templates, exactly what you need to know, how to set up your shop. You're going to learn all of these how-to things. But what makes the academy different is the support that you're going to get, because when you join the academy, I'm going to meet you one-to-one. We're going to have a welcome call so I can guide you on exactly what to focus on, because I'm aware that you might be in a different stage. You might be feeling overwhelmed and confused with all the options out there. So that's why I offer a call with all of my students so I can guide them. And also you can get feedback from someone who actually done this and turned this into a full-time income. So I can give you some feedback when you launch your shop. Maybe you need a fresh pair of eyes just to have a look on your template or on your shop and give you some feedback, give you some ideas on how to market. So you're not going to be left on your own. And that's why I created the academy, because I had to go through this all on my own while I was working full time. I had to create all the templates from scratch, and it took me so much work, and it has a learning curve as well. So it took me a long time to really get confident. And you can literally skip the learning curve, get started with PLR templates, customize them, make them pretty, make them unique, and help other people. So you can go for a walk and get paid. You can go to the gym and get an Etsy sale. And it's so fun when you are just resting and you get a sale. And that's what I want for every single person in my community, so they can have a source of income that doesn't require them selling their time. And just remember that it's not too late. When I started, I already heard people saying, oh, it's too saturated, it's too late. And I'm here to tell you it's not too late. Every student of mine that is now making consistent sales, when I ask them if there is one thing that they would do differently, most of them always say the same thing, which is, I wish I started earlier.